What's up everybody, it's Pawan and welcome back to the channel. This time we're diving deep into the world of Android apps, specifically the ones absolutely crushing it in India right now. We're talking about the apps that are practically glued to everyone's home screens, the ones that define how people connect, commute and consume. We've scoured the Play Store to bring you the best of the best, so let's dive right in. From social media giants to everyday essentials, we're ranking the apps that are shaping the Indian tech scene. Get ready to see some familiar faces, maybe discover a hidden gem or two, and hopefully find your next favorite app. Oh, and make sure you stick around till the end, because I want to know which apps you guys are using the most. Let's get started. Kicking things off at number 20 is WhatsApp. With over 400 million users in India, it's synonymous with messaging. End-to-end encryption keeps your chats private, and status updates keep you connected. At number 19, it's the Gram. Instagram remains a social media powerhouse. From sharing moments to building communities, Instagram's visual-first approach and Reels keep users hooked. Coming in at number 18 is Paytm. This digital payments giant has revolutionized transactions in India. From mobile recharges to bill payments, shopping, and even investments, Paytm does it all. Number 17 goes to the app that helps you navigate, Google Maps. Real-time traffic updates, turn-by-turn navigation, and offline maps make it a must-have for any traveler. Number 16. YouTube. A vast library of entertainment, education, and more. Your go-to for video. Number 15 goes to Swiggy, the app that satisfies your cravings. From street food to fine dining, Swiggy's extensive restaurant network makes ordering food a breeze. At number 14, it's Zomato. More than just food delivery, Zomato is your go-to for restaurant discovery. User reviews, ratings, and curated lists help you find the perfect dining experience. Number 13 goes to Flipkart, one of India's leading e-commerce platforms. From electronics to fashion, Flipkart offers a wide selection of products, competitive prices, and a seamless shopping experience. Chapter 12. Coming in at number 12 is Amazon India. With its massive product catalogue, Prime membership benefits, and reliable delivery network, Amazon is a go-to for online shoppers. At number 11, it's Hotstar. From live sports to exclusive TV shows and movies, Hotstar keeps you entertained on the go. Number 10 goes to JioSaavn, a music streaming app with a vast library, personalized playlists, and offline downloads. JioSaavn is your musical companion. Number 9 is Ola, one of India's top ride-hailing services. With various cab options, affordable prices, and a user-friendly app, Ola makes commuting easy. Chapter 13. At number 8, it's Uber, the global ride-hailing giant. With its presence in major cities across India, Uber provides a convenient and reliable way to travel around. Number 7 is PhonePe, a secure and rewarding UPI payments app. With seamless bank integration, cashback offers, and bill payment features, PhonePe simplifies your financial transactions. At number 6, it's Myntra, your one-stop shop for fashion. With its wide selection of brands and trendy apparel, Myntra keeps you stylish. Number 5 goes to Snapdeal, an e-commerce platform offering great deals on a wide range of products. From electronics to home appliances, Snapdeal makes online shopping affordable and accessible. At number 4, it's Gaana, a music streaming app with personalized listening, curated playlists, and a vast music library for diverse tastes. Number 3 goes to MX Player, a versatile video player. With support for various formats, streaming services, and offline downloads, MX Player is your entertainment hub. Number 2 is Airtel. Thanks, the official app for Airtel subscribers. Manage your account, access exclusive rewards, and stay connected and entertained. At number 1, it's Truecaller. This caller ID and spam blocking app is essential for millions in India, helping them identify unknown callers and avoid unwanted calls. So there you have it, guys. Our countdown of the top 20 Android apps absolutely killing it in India this year. From staying connected with loved ones to navigating bustling cities and catching up on the latest entertainment, these apps are woven into the fabric of everyday life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Let me know in the comments which of these apps is your favorite, and if there are any hidden gems we missed. Until next time.